Selamat datang everybody, welcome to our tiny outside kitchen here at Pisang Susu. It is super hot today, tropical temperatures in Holland. That's why we need to make something outside from our
recipe fan.
And we're gonna make Tahu Goreng. Enak sekali. The things you need for this Tahu Goreng are 1 block of tofu, kemiri nuts roasted 5, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ketumbar or coriander, 6 tablespoons of rice flour mixed with 6 tablespoons of water and some hot oil. We're gonna start by mixing the bumbu, the herb and spice mix. We've got here the roasted kemiri nuts. They need to be roasted, otherwise they're poisonous slightly. And the 3 cloves of garlic. You need a lot of, well, flavor in this recipe because, you know, tofu or tahu is not, well, it doesn't really have flavor. So we're gonna mix this. And Lulu, can you add the salt now?
Yeah.
It's quite a lot of salt, but again, that's necessary for tahu, thank you. And the salt helps to grind this bumbu. I have to, oh, it's a tough clove of garlic. And you can also add, if you like, the ketumbar, the coriander seeds that are crushed. It's really good, thank you. Don't grind it too fine because it's nice to have the crunchiness of the garlic. So now you see it's like this, pretty coarse, but it's good. So Lulu, can you mix this in?
Yeah.
Into our batter. You place it in. Good, and then mix it like this. And then leave it just for a while. Yeah, place the other one. Yeah. And then we're going to take it out and leave it. Try to leave all the nice stuff on it. The pieces of garlic and the nice kemiri nuts. And now you're going to fry the tahu until golden brown. It takes a few minutes. So here's one, Lulu. You like to try? Nice. I want to try. You want to try?
Okay.
You want the one with the piece of garlic?
Yeah.
I like this one. Okay. Crispy, yeah? You like it? Good food. So makan.